Talk to me about this Capex chart here. This
So
is something that I don't follow at all, so this is interesting.
I threw this in there. I thought it was an interesting chart because I think there's everyone's trying to call this bubble in AI and the spend. Of course, I have no idea what inning we're in. I'm not going to make a call that the bubble's here or it's going to end anytime soon. I'll let technicals dictate that. But when you take the hyperscalers, they're the Amazon, Google, Meta, and Microsoft, the four main ones, and you look at their Capex spending and you stack it up against their revenue, it's basically parabolic over the last few quarters. It's about 25% of their revenue is spent on Capex. And what I thought was interesting and why I threw it in here is just because that Capex spending is now being supported by more and more debt. You've seen the headlines, whether that's Meta doing a huge debt offering, Alphabet did one just recently, or I think this week. So they're ramping up debt. And when you bring on more risk to the balance sheet, there's probably going to be more scrutiny. We saw that, of course, with Meta last week selling off. So I do think as we look ahead for this AI trade, there's probably going to be some maybe more volatility around earnings and just what the consensus is on return on investment in some of this spend. But when you go back to the technicals, you look at the Mag 7, you look at each name within the Mag 7, and again, it's really, I think, too early to get too bearish on the broader market as well.